Welcome! If you've ever dreamed of building a successful YouTube channel that grows quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps to launch your channel, attract viewers, and set yourself up for rapid growth. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to improve your current channel, these actionable tips will help you stand out in a crowded space. Let's dive in and discover how you can turn your passion into a thriving YouTube presence, step by step. The first step to fast growth is defining your niche. What topics are you passionate about? What unique perspective can you offer? Choosing a clear niche helps you attract a dedicated audience and makes it easier for YouTube to recommend your videos. Think about your interests, expertise, and what viewers are searching for. Remember, a focused channel is more likely to gain loyal subscribers than a channel that covers too many unrelated topics. Take some time to research and settle on a niche that excites you and has an audience. Understanding your audience is crucial for growth. Who are they? What problems do they face? What kind of content do they enjoy? Use YouTube search, forums, and social media to learn about your potential viewers. Look at successful channels in your niche and analyze their most popular videos. This research will help you create content that resonates and keeps viewers coming back. Remember, the better you know your audience, the easier it is to make videos they love. Your channel identity is how viewers recognize and remember you. This includes your channel name, logo, banner, and overall style. Choose a name that's memorable and reflects your niche. Design a professional-looking logo and banner using free tools or affordable designers. Consistency in your visuals and messaging helps build trust and makes your channel look established, even when you're just starting out. A strong identity sets the tone for your content and attracts the right audience. Now it's time to set up your channel. Go to YouTube, sign in, and create your channel. Fill out your About section with a clear description of what viewers can expect. Add links to your social media and website if you have them. Upload your logo and banner, and make sure your channel looks inviting. Taking the time to set up your channel properly shows viewers you're serious and ready to deliver quality content. A solid content strategy is the backbone of a fast-growing channel. Decide what types of videos you'll make: tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or something else. Plan your upload schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key to building momentum and keeping your audience engaged. Brainstorm video ideas in advance and organize them in a content calendar. This planning helps you stay focused and ensures you always have fresh content ready to go. To get discovered on YouTube, you need to understand keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into YouTube search. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This increases your chances of appearing in search results and attracting new viewers. Remember, smart keyword use is a powerful way to grow your channel quickly. Your video title is the first thing viewers see. Make it clear, descriptive, and intriguing. Use your main keyword near the beginning and consider adding numbers or power words to grab attention. Avoid clickbait. Your title should accurately reflect your content. A great title can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past. Take time to brainstorm and test different title ideas for each video. Thumbnails are just as important as titles. A bright, high-contrast thumbnail with clear images and bold text can dramatically increase your click-through rate. Use close-up faces, expressive emotions, and colors that stand out. Make sure your thumbnail looks good on both desktop and mobile. Consistent thumbnail style also helps build your brand and makes your videos instantly recognizable. A well-written description helps YouTube understand your video and can boost your rankings. Start with a brief summary using your main keyword. Add more details about what viewers will learn or experience. Include links to related videos, your social media, and any resources you mention. Use timestamps for longer videos to help viewers find key sections. A strong description supports your video's discoverability and keeps viewers engaged. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific tags, including your main keyword and related terms. Look at tags used by top-performing videos in your niche for inspiration. Don't overdo it. Focus on relevance and quality over quantity. Well-chosen tags can help your videos appear in search and suggested video feeds, driving more views to your channel. Content quality is king on YouTube. Invest in a decent camera and microphone, or use your smartphone with good lighting. Plan your videos to be engaging and valuable from start to finish. Edit out mistakes and add graphics or music to enhance the viewing experience. Remember, viewers are more likely to subscribe and share if your videos look and sound professional. Always aim to improve your content with each upload. The first 15 seconds of your video are critical. Start with a strong hook that grabs attention, ask a question, share a surprising fact, or show a quick preview of what's coming. Let viewers know why they should keep watching. A compelling introduction increases watch time, which is a key factor in YouTube's algorithm. Practice different hooks to see what works best for your audience. To grow fast, you need to consistently deliver value in every video. Focus on solving problems, entertaining, or educating your viewers. Stay on topic and avoid unnecessary tangents. The more value you provide, the more likely viewers are to subscribe and return for future videos. Consistency in value builds trust and encourages word-of-mouth growth. Engagement signals like likes, comments, and shares tell YouTube your video is valuable. Encourage viewers to interact by asking questions, prompting them to share their thoughts, or inviting them to subscribe. Respond to comments to build a community around your channel. The more engagement your videos receive, the more likely they are to be promoted by YouTube's algorithm. Playlists help organize your content and keep viewers watching more of your videos. Group related videos into playlists and use keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Playlists can appear in search results and suggested video feeds, increasing your channel's visibility. They also improve watch time by encouraging viewers to binge watch your content. Don't rely solely on YouTube for traffic. Share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Join groups and communities related to your niche to reach new viewers. Tailor your posts to each platform and use relevant hashtags. Social media promotion can drive early views and help your videos gain traction faster. Collaboration is a powerful way to grow your channel quickly. Partner with other creators in your niche for interviews, challenges, or guest appearances. This exposes your channel to new audiences and builds relationships within your community. Look for creators with similar or slightly larger audiences and propose mutually beneficial ideas. Collaboration can lead to long-term growth and valuable connections. YouTube provides powerful analytics to help you understand what's working. Check your dashboard regularly to see which videos perform best, where viewers drop off, and how they find your content. Use this data to refine your strategy, double down on what works, and improve what doesn't. Analytics are your roadmap to faster growth, so don't ignore them. Feedback from viewers is invaluable. Pay attention to comments, suggestions, and constructive criticism. Use this input to improve your videos and address your audience's needs. Don't take negative feedback personally, see it as an opportunity to grow. The more you listen and adapt, the faster your channel will improve and attract loyal fans. Consistency is one of the most important factors for growth. Stick to your upload schedule, even if you're busy or not seeing immediate results. Consistent uploads build trust with your audience and signal to YouTube that you're a reliable creator. Over time, this leads to more recommendations and faster channel growth. Don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment with different video formats, topics, and styles to see what resonates with your audience. Track the results and adjust your strategy accordingly. Sometimes, a new approach can unlock unexpected growth and help you stand out from the competition. Jumping on trends can give your channel a quick boost. Stay up to date with what's popular in your niche and create timely content around trending topics. Use trending hashtags and keywords to increase your chances of being discovered. But remember, only participate in trends that fit your channel's identity and audience. Understanding how the YouTube algorithm works can help you grow faster. The algorithm favors videos with high watch time, engagement, and click-through rates. Focus on creating content that keeps viewers watching and interacting. Use analytics to identify what the algorithm likes about your videos and replicate that success in future uploads. Series and episodic content encourage viewers to return for more. Plan multi-part videos or recurring themes that keep your audience anticipating the next installment. Use end screens and playlists to guide viewers from one episode to the next. This approach increases watch time and builds a loyal following. Most YouTube views come from mobile devices. Make sure your videos, thumbnails, and text are easy to see and read on small screens. Use larger fonts and clear visuals. Test your videos on different devices to ensure a great viewing experience for everyone, no matter how they watch. End screens and cards are tools that keep viewers engaged with your channel. Use them to promote other videos, playlists, or encourage subscriptions. Place end screens in the last 20 seconds of your video and add cards at relevant moments. These features help increase watch time and guide viewers deeper into your content. A unique style helps your channel stand out. This could be your editing style, on-camera personality, or the way you present information. Experiment until you find a style that feels authentic and resonates with your audience. Consistency in style builds your brand and makes your channel memorable. The best creators are always learning. Watch tutorials, read articles, and study successful channels to improve your skills. Invest time in learning about video production, editing, SEO, and audience psychology. The more you know, the better your content will become, and the faster your channel will grow. Building relationships with other creators can open doors to new opportunities. Join online communities, attend virtual events, and participate in discussions. Networking can lead to collaborations, shoutouts, and valuable advice. The YouTube community is full of people willing to help each other grow. YouTube is always evolving. Stay informed about platform updates, new features, and changes to the algorithm. Follow YouTube's official blog and creator channels for the latest news. Adapting quickly to changes keeps your channel competitive and helps you take advantage of new growth opportunities. Once you meet YouTube's requirements, you can apply for monetization and start earning from ads. Explore other income streams like sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. Diversifying your income helps you turn your channel into a sustainable business as it grows. Security is important as your channel grows. Enable two-factor authentication, use strong passwords, and be cautious with third-party apps. Regularly back up your content and monitor for suspicious activity. Protecting your channel ensures your hard work isn't lost to hackers or technical issues. Growing a channel can be demanding. It's important to pace yourself and avoid burnout. Take breaks when needed, set realistic goals, and remember why you started. Balance your YouTube work with other aspects of your life to stay motivated and creative for the long haul. Every milestone is worth celebrating, whether it's your first 100 subscribers or your first viral video. Acknowledge your progress and thank your viewers for their support. Celebrating achievements keeps you motivated and strengthens your connection with your audience. As your channel grows, your audience's needs and preferences may change. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt your content based on feedback and analytics. This responsiveness shows you care about your viewers and helps you stay relevant in a fast-changing environment. A thriving community is the heart of a successful channel. Foster a sense of belonging by interacting with your viewers, hosting live streams, and creating content that encourages participation. A strong community supports your growth and makes your YouTube journey more rewarding. Authenticity is key to building trust and loyalty. Be yourself on camera and share your genuine thoughts and experiences. Viewers appreciate honesty and are more likely to connect with creators who are real and relatable. Authenticity sets you apart in a world full of polished content. Negative comments are inevitable as your channel grows. Don't let them discourage you. Respond politely if needed, or simply ignore and move on. Focus on the positive feedback and remember that criticism can sometimes offer valuable insights. Protect your mental health and keep your community positive. Continuous improvement is the secret to long-term success. Always look for ways to make your videos better, whether it's through new editing techniques, better storytelling, or improved production quality. Small improvements add up over time and set your channel apart from the rest. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies. Following the rules protects your channel from strikes and demonetization. Always use original or properly licensed content and avoid misleading practices. Staying compliant ensures your channel's long-term growth and stability. Growth takes time, even with the best strategies. Set realistic goals and celebrate small wins along the way. Don't compare your journey to others, focus on your own progress. Patience and persistence are essential for building a successful channel that lasts. Inspiration fuels creativity. Watch other creators, explore new topics, and take breaks to recharge your mind. Stay curious and open to new ideas. The more inspired you are, the more creative and engaging your content will be. Every creator faces challenges, but persistence pays off. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep uploading. Remember, every big channel started small. Stay committed to your vision, and your hard work will eventually pay off with a thriving, fast-growing YouTube channel. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to start a YouTube channel that grows fast. Remember to define your niche, create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and keep learning. Growth won't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right strategies, you'll build a channel you're proud of. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your YouTube journey.